Alright guys, this is another episode of How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane type 2, which is basically like a microlight. Let's go. So first, you want to fold the corners. Now I'm just telling you, this is basically exactly like my first paper airplane, except it's got a few extra steps. Well, basically not. So now you get your paper airplane, and you fold the corners again, like this. Then you do it to the other wing as well. Now pay attention now, because this is the tricky bit. You get your wing and you fold it like this. So it's from here all the way down to there. Alright, now you see these corners. You want to fold them down. I'm just going to fold mine quickly for a demonstration. So they go like that, from there to there. Then you want to fold it back up, but only to where the corners are. And so they don't unfold, so you stick them down sort of. Now I've got this, so it's from here all the way up to here. Then you want to fold it directly in half. So it goes like this, except a bit neater. Let me neaten that out. There we go. So it's all like this. Make sure the corners stay down though. Then make the wings like that. And that from there to there. And there you have it, a microlight. Well, don't go though, because you can make rudders like in my older video. Check out my channel to see it, how to make a paper airplane. And I'll tell you how to make the rudder. So you get it and you rip it, or if you have scissors you can cut it, but I don't have scissors right now. So then you've got yourself some rudders. Now you've got yourself a microlight. It looks a tiny bit smaller, and it catches the wind a bit more. There you go. I've just flown it and it looks really good. Alright, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Another video will be coming out tomorrow. See ya!